Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of cranberry juice.
Cranberries are really high in antioxidants.
And since studies have shown that drinking cranberry juice raises the antioxidant count in your bloodstream, it can also help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Cranberries are great bacteria fighters. This helps with your breath. If you drink cranberry juice, it helps fight plaque and bad breath, but that can be a solution. Cranberry juice has also been prescribed for people that have UTI issues because it's a bacteria fighter. Cranberry juice is often prescribed to pregnant women. So drinking cranberry juice can be a great idea if you are pregnant or if you're struggling with UTIs. I'll also be putting the vitamin and mineral content over here on the side of the screen of cranberry juice before I get to one of the last items that cranberry juice is really beneficial for. I like mixing cranberries with apples and other things, spinach, and just whatever I have on hand, but adding a few cranberries is a nice little touch to fresh juice. Cranberry juice is also high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect our body from free radicals. Free radicals are compounds that cause our skin to age, cause cancerous growth, cause our cell damage, and also causes different types of organ failure. So vitamin E is an amazing antioxidant that helps with all of those things. Free radicals are formed when our body converts the food we eat into energy. It helps with allowing that process to not damage our skin, our cells, and our organs. Cranberry juice also has high amounts of copper. Copper and iron work together to form red blood cells, which help maintain healthy nerves and an immune system. Cranberry juice also provides a high amount of vitamin C, which is great for collagen production, which helps to decrease wrinkles, and it helps with skin elasticity. So there's another bonus. Guys, on this cranberry package, it says product of Wisconsin.